Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of Ghee ka Kheer, which you guys can make it for the Navarathiri Vrat. So let's start. So for this recipe, what you need, take a non-stick pan and I'm going to add 2 cups of milk into this. So today I'm going to make it as a prasad. So I'm adding 2 cups of fresh milk into this and little bit of water. So little bit of water into this, and we have to cook this one until the milk become thick. Milk started becoming thick, and here is the ghee, guys. So I grated this one, and so when the milk becomes thick, we have to add this ghee and sugar and everything. So we have to wait. So my milk is started becoming thick. Always remember guys, when you are cooking in the non-stick, always use the non-stick one. Don't use the wooden or the wooden is also okay. The steel is not good in the non-stick pan. So you have to use the non-stick utensils for the non-stick pan. So my milk is started becoming thick, guys, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this ghee into this. And you have to mix this one. So after 2 to 3 minutes, we will add the sugar. Hey guys, after 3 to 4 minutes, it started becoming thick with the ghee, and it's time to add the sugar. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar into this kheer. So you can, that is up to your taste, how much sweet you want in your kheer. So I will add 1 more tablespoon. So I added 3 tablespoons of sugar into this, and you have to mix this one very well, and again we have to cook this one for 5 minutes. Hey guys, my kheer is started becoming thick, and I added everything, the sugar, and it's time to add some cream. This is up to your choice whether you want kheer in your whether you want cream in your kheer. And after adding the cream, guys, you have to cook only for 1 minute, not more than that. Hey guys, I put the kheer in the silver small bowl because I'm going to offer this one to the God, and we have to use only the silver one when we are doing any prasad and offering to the God. And it's time to add some saffron into this, and my kheer is ready, guys. So this is the quick video of how to make Navaratri kheer for the Navaratri Vrat. See you soon in my another cooking video. Please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.